Computer network. Data communication. Data communication refers to the transmission of digital data between two or more computers and a computer network, also known as data communication. It is a communication network that allows computer exchange of data. This network may be wired or wireless network. When the network connection between network computer devices is established using cable and wires, it is also known as wired network. Or when the connection is established without cable network, it is known as wireless network. Now we discuss about components of data communication. There are main five types of component. Message message is the information that is to be communicated. Message may be consisting as picture, files, text, etc. Next, sender. The sender is the receiver or a person. Sender is the receiver or a person. Medium. Medium is the physical path that connects sender or receiver to the transmit. It is used to transmit the data. The medium may be wired or wireless. Receiver. Receiver is the device that receives the message from the sender. Protocol. Protocol is a set of policy that processes that must be to send or receive the information. Next, data presentation. Analog data, digital data. Analog data is a continuous data. It takes wide set of voltage values, frequency values, signals at a different point of time. Digital data. Digital data is non-continuous data. It cannot take infinite set of values. It cannot take infinite set of values. It is only take finite set of values. Example: text file, audio, image. Mode of communication: transmission media. Transmission mode means transmitted of data between two devices. It is also known as communication mode. These are three types of transmission mode: simple mode, half duplex mode, full duplex. In simple duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional. Both channels on a link to another. In simple mode, the communication is unidirectional on a one way to another. Only only one of the devices link can be transmitted, the other can only receive. Example: keyboard and mouse, traditional mouse. Half duplex mode. In half duplex mode, each station can both transmit and receive, but not at the same time. ठीक है? When one device is sending and the other can only receive, the HDM is used in case there is no need for communication in both directions at the same time. Example: walkie-talkie in which message is sent one at a time and a message is sent in both directions. Full duplex mode. Full duplex mode is used when a communication in the both directions is required all time of capacity of the channels must be divided between the two directional. Types of network: LAN, MAN, WAN. Three types of networks: LAN. LAN is stand for local area network. It connect computer devices to a computer network in a small geographic area like a home office or to the sharing files. It can be physical or wireless connection. MAN is stand for Metropolitan Area Network. It it take a large geographic area like a city. It is a collection of small small networks in a together. It allow high speed data transmit. Example Wi-Fi. WAN. WAN is stand for wide area network. A computer network that convert a large geographic area connection multiple smaller networks LAN and MAN together, enabling communication and data transfer over the longer distance. Example: Internet, the largest connection billion of the devices worldwide. Network topology. Network topology refer to the arrangement of network topology refer to the physical or logical arrangement of computer devices and connection within a computer network. It defines how the data is connected, how data is transmitted, how data network is structured. Types of network topology. Bus topology. A bus topology. All devices are connected single backbone cable. Bus topology is the network topology that uses a single cable or backbone cable to connect all devices, which is referred to as a bus, and the back cable is known as backbone cable. Ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected to other devices, forming a circular configuration. Device forward data to its neighbor device. Data travels in one direction around the ring. Advantage: high speed data transfer, easy to install and management. Star topology. In a star topology, all devices are connected to the central hub or switch. Each devices are dedicated connection to the central device. Each device has a dedicated connection to central device. Data travels from the central device to each other connection. Mesh topology. Mesh topology is a network topology where each device is connected to every other devices either directional or indirectional through a multiple path, means that is node connected to all other nodes, forming a web-like structure. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a network topology that combines two words. Tree topology. Tree topology has a group of star topology network connected to a linear bus backbone cable. It shares the feature of the both stars. Tree topology also known as hierarchical topology. Characters of least switch line. A switch line is also known as a switch port or network switch. Is a physical or virtual interface on a network. Types of transmission media. Transmission media: guided media, unguided media. Guided media: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable. Unguided radioactive transmission media. In the communication in data communication, transmission media refer to the channel or medium through which data, information, or signals are transmitted from one point to another. Guided media: it is a wired or bound transmission media. In these signals being transmitted by using physical line. There are two types of guided media: twisted pair cable, a type of cable that used two insulated copper wires twisted together to reduce electromagnetic interference. There are two types of twisted pair cable: shielded or unshielded. A twisted pair cable with a foil or braided braided shield around the twist pair to reduce electromagnetic interface EMI and improve signal quality. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is a type of guided media made of plastic or copper wires which transmits signals in electromagnetic form rather than light form. Coaxial cable is also known as a coax. The copper core conductor is used to transmit signals. Optical fiber cable, you all know. Switching technique. Circuit switching is a communication method where a dedicated communication channel over a circuit it is established between two devices or during transmission. This channel is reserved, no one else can use for the transmission. No. Types of switching. Circuit switch, a method of transmitting data through a dedicated path between sender or receiver. In a computer science, two nodes for in a circuit switch, two nodes for the duration of the transmission. Packet switching, a method of transmitting data in a small packets through a network and the transmission them independently. Message switch, a method of transmitting complete messages through a network where each message is stored and forwarded to its destination. Network reference model, OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Model is a conceptual framework used to understand computer network. It provides the seven-layer structure to network communication. Application APST NDE NDP. Application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. Application layers: user interface, data formatting, connection establishing, data transfer, routed data, error-free transmission, data transmission. Physical layer. Definitions of SAML layer. First of all, physical layers define physical means of data transmissions. Data link layer provides error-free data transmission, data frames. Network layer routed data between devices on different network. Transport layer provide reliable data transfer. Session layer maintain and terminate connection. Presentation layer convert data into readable format. Application layer provides service to end user application. OSI model, same like a back page. T TCIP TSIP node TCI slash IP. So application layer, presentation layer, session layer is called application layer. Transport layer, network layer, transport layer called transport layer. Network layer is inter internet layer. Data link layer, physical layer is called network SAS layer. SS layer. HTT. HTTP stand for HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol used to access the data on the www World Wide Web. The HTTP protocol can be used to transfer data into one form to another, like a text audio. The efficiency of this protocol to allow us hybrid hypertext environment. There are jump from one document to another, like this. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol, FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard internet protocol provided by trans- used for transmitting a file from one system to another, for transferring a web file format created to other computer on the internet. It is also used to downloading a files to computer other services. DNS. DNS means domain name system. Domain name system means commercial, education, government, military. DNS stands for domain name system. DNS is required for the function of internet. A DNS is a sequence or symbols or character the domains. There are mainly two types: generic domain, country domain. Generic, it defines the registered host account, uses three character level, and these levels describe the organization type. Country domain, the formatting of country domain name is the same generic domain. It is used two character and country name, for example UK, US, etc. Design issue of data link layer, error control, flow control. You can read next. Q&A, important, very important Q&A. Describe hub, switch, and router. Hub. A hub is a simple network device that connects multiple devices together, receive incoming data signals, broadcast data to all connection. Guys, these questions we'll discuss tomorrow. So like share. वो से कोई नहीं कर रहा